Welcome students to this English grammar channel on Autoplay and YouTube. In this video, I will have word formation for higher classes, which is very important and interesting too. This will help you to create new words by yourselves. Let us start. Slide 1. What is word formation? Word formation equals the process of creating new words from existing ones using prefixes, suffixes, roots, or by joining whole words. It helps build strong vocabulary for reading, writing, and competitive exams. Key process you will learn are affixation of prefix and suffix, compounding, conversion, clipping, blending, acronyms, and back formation. These are the ways how new words can be formed. Let us move to the main slide. Prefix rules. These are very easy rules I have compiled for you so that you can remember just by looking at it. A prefix is added to the beginning of a root word or main word to change its meaning, often to make negatives or opposites. Common prefixes are an, in, im, dis, re, pre, mis, over, under. You have to learn the meaning of these prefixes before adding them at the beginning of a root word. Example sentences words are kind, an is added before it, becomes unkind. Appear, dis is added before it, becomes disappear. Do, re is added before it, becomes redo. So you find it easy. Suffix rules after the root. You have learned prefix added before the root word or the main word and suffix added after the main word. A suffix is added to the end of a root word to change its word class. This is very important to be remembered. A suffix, when added at the end of a main word or root word, it changes its class. Say, to noun, to verb, to adjective, to adverb, or also changes the meaning. The common suffixes are ness, ment, shan, zran, er, or, able, able, lay, ly, full, as, eve. Also you have to know the meaning of these suffixes. Now spelling rules. If a word ends in y after a consonant, change y into I before ness. Ly, happy becomes happiness. Angry becomes angrily. See, happiness, happy ending in y, and before y there is one consonant. So after adding ness, the y becomes I, happiness. Similarly, angrily. Angry ends in y, and before it r is the consonant. So after adding ly, y becomes I, that is angrily. Often drop the final silent E. This is also very important spelling rule. Before ing, able and us. Example, create becomes creating. The E, final E, is eliminated. Use becomes usable. The final E is eliminated and bill is added. Now, compounding and conversion. Compounding means joining of two or more words to form a new word with a new meaning. Black plus board becomes blackboard. Sun plus rise, sunrise. Copy plus writer, copywriter. It is to be remembered, students, when these type of words are added, they become a single solid word. There is no space or hyphen between them. These are called solids, solid compounds. Then conversion, which is also known as zero derivation. Change the word class without changing the form. Email, which is a noun, when we make it infinitive or verb, to email means sending the email activity, so it becomes verb. Here we do not change the root. Google, which is a noun, to Google becomes a verb. Its class is changed, that is searching with Google. Slide 5, clipping, blending, acronyms, back formation. These are a few new ways of making new words. You may find these words are new, but these are interesting too. Clipping means shorten a longer word without changing the meaning. Examination becomes exam, which is you often use, but you don't know it is called clipping. Laboratory is shortened to lab. Influenza is shortened to flu. It is to be remembered that you cannot change them playfully as you want, but you have to change them or shorten them, which is applicable. Blending mixed parts of two words. Blending means mixed parts of two words. For example, breakfast plus lunch becomes brunch. Smoke plus fog becomes smog. Now, acronyms and initialism. First letters of a group of words becomes acronyms. Example, NASA. Example, UNESCO. Example, BBC. BBC means British Broadcasting Corporation. So each letter indicates a word. Back formation. Remove a real or imagined suffix to form a new word. By back formation, we remove a suffix which is real or imagined. For example, editor, the OR suffix is removed and becomes edit. Burglar, the AR is changed in R is removed and A is changed into E, which means burgle. So editor becomes edit, burglar becomes burgle, and their meaning also changes. So students, I hope this video is interesting and full of learning too. Please subscribe to ND's Grammar channel on YouTube and Autoplay for more exciting videos.